I have done a beautiful portrait of a young child using soft pastel sticks and pastel pencils. You will see that it has quite bright and vibrant colors. The paper used for this portrait is the Strathmore 400 series. It is a toned paper. The color of the paper is a light peach color. It is textured. First, I have done a freehand sketch of this girl. After seeing that the proportion looks alright, then I have laid the base layer using pastel sticks, and then blended them using my fingers and blending. The pastel sticks used are Faber-Castell, and the pencils are Carbothello Arti and Faber-Castell. Once base layer is done, then you start the detail work using the pencil. The pencils give you more control to do the eyes, nose, and other features. You also add the shadows and the highlights where required. The use of a combination of pastel sticks and pencils is helpful in saving your pencil usage as they are costly. A lot of colors are used, and you lay one layer over the other color to achieve the color of your portrait. Some color from underneath is also reflected through adding the depth to your portrait. A lot of colors were used. The main colors used were shades of sky blue, red, brown, black, cream, light yellow, white, dot green. I hope you will like the portrait of this child. You will appreciate her innocence and cheerful appearance. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything but would mean a lot to me. Please leave your comments and suggestions. Thank you.